Hello everyone, it's Songling here. I am a home cook and I love eating. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is where I share simple, delicious, and healthy recipes that you can recreate at home. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe. I post every Monday and Thursday. Today, I am going to show you how to make Okra Tamagoyaki. It is okra wrapped in Japanese-style rolled omelette and flavored with dashi broth. It's very healthy and packed with umami flavor. So, without further ado, let's start cooking. Here are all the ingredients. You need 4 fresh okra pods, 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 tablespoons of dashi broth, and some salt for seasoning. I make dashi broth simply by mixing hondashi powder with boiling water, and you can easily find it in most Japanese or Asian grocery stores. First, we need to blanch the okra. Add some salt to a pot of water and bring it to a boil. You can also drizzle in 1 teaspoon of oil. This will help maintain that lovely green color of your okra. Cook for 2 minutes and immediately transfer into an ice bath. Cut off both the heads and the tiny ends to make them fit better in your pan. I ate the end pieces directly because I don't like wasting food. Now crack the eggs into a bowl, add in the dashi broth, season with salt, and mix until everything's well combined. Set your stove on medium heat, make sure the surface of your frying pan is well greased. I am using a tamagoyaki pan here, but any non-stick pan will work just fine. When the pan is preheated, pour in a portion of your egg mixture and immediately tilt your pan to spread the mixture evenly. You want to use just enough to form a thin layer. Pop the bubbles with chopsticks or spatula and lay down the first 2 okra pods on the end further away from you. Wrap the egg around the okra pods and lay down the second row. Now with a pair of chopsticks or spatula, start rolling the entire thing towards you. Try to do this as fast as you can or your eggs can get overcooked. Also, lifting your pan away from the heat while rolling will buy you a bit more time. Your first attempt may not look perfect, just keep trying, you'll get there. Now push the roll to the far end of your pan, add another portion of the egg mixture, roll and push to the further end. Repeat until all the liquid is finished. Transfer to a cutting board and let your tamagoyaki rest for about a minute. If any part of the roll is still runny, the residual heat will set it. Cut into pieces and serve. This dish requires only 5 ingredients and less than 20 minutes to make. It looks so good that if you serve this to a group of guests, be prepared to get all kinds of compliments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. I am here every Monday and Thursday. Also leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!